Welcome back to ReviewMobile, your trusted source for honest and concise mobile reviews. Today, we're diving into Xiaomi's latest budget contender, the Redmi A3 Pro. Designed to offer value without cutting too many corners, the A3 Pro might just be the affordable smartphone you've been waiting for. Design and display. The Redmi A3 Pro features a modern look with a sleek glass back and a large 6.71-inch HD Plus display. With a 90Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel smoother than expected in this price range. Despite its budget nature, the phone manages to offer a premium feel in hand, especially with its minimal bezels and stylish circular camera module. Performance and software. Powered by the MediaTek Helio G36 processor, the Redmi A3 Pro handles basic tasks like social media, browsing, and light gaming efficiently. It runs on Android 14 Go edition optimized for entry-level hardware, ensuring smoother performance and better resource management. RAM options go up to 6 GB, with virtual RAM support for extra multitasking capacity. Camera capabilities. The A3 Pro includes an 8-megapixels AI dual camera setup on the rear and a 5-megapixels selfie camera. While it won't compete with mid-range shooters, the camera quality is decent for casual photography and social media sharing. AI enhancements help in daylight shots, but low-light performance is limited. Battery and charging. A 5000 mAh battery powers the device, providing all-day usage on moderate activity. It supports 10W charging via USB-C, which is a welcome upgrade in the budget segment. Battery efficiency is further enhanced by the lightweight Android Go system. Storage and other features. With storage options up to 128 GB and a dedicated micro SD card slot, users get plenty of room for apps and media. The phone also includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, 3.5mm headphone jack, and splash-resistant design, small but important additions in this segment. Final verdict. The Redmi A3 Pro stands out in the budget category with its balanced design, smooth display, and long battery life. It's an excellent choice for first-time smartphone users or anyone looking for a reliable secondary device. At its price point, it offers more than expected, and that's what Redmi does best. Outro. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching this review on ReviewMobile. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mobile insights. See you in the next one.